Hi guys, and welcome to your Algebra 1 Pre-AP course. I wanted to show you a few important components of the actual course for you to keep in mind as you're working through our semester. Some of this is going to seem brand new, obviously for those of you that are new to our school, but for those of you even that are returning to our school, so many things have changed. We have a completely new course, and so I just want to point out some important aspects. First of all, when you log into K12.com and you go to your courses, you need to open up your Pre-AP Algebra 1 course. This is like walking through the door of our classroom. And typically when you walk in the door of a classroom, you see some kind of a schedule or a calendar of what we're doing that day. Well, here in our announcements, you can find that very same thing. It'll be for a week at a time. So you can see on the 13th, which is today, we are attending our orientation. And then on the 14th, which is tomorrow, you are going to be working on the course introduction in the course. Now, how you visit the actual content, the best way to do that is to click up here on the content button. The content will take you to, once you click on content, it will take you to a table of contents. And you can see as you scroll down on the left-hand side, each of our units is here. Now, as I said, tomorrow, the 14th, you're going to be working on the course introduction. So you would just click on course introduction, and you would click on the get ready component, and you would work through all of the components of that. This is important because, like I said, some of the things are different in the course this year. And so this course introduction just walks you through how to use all of the different tools that exist in the course. And so that's going to be real useful. It's not very long. You just need to go through and work through each of those components. Now, starting next week, we'll actually get into the algebra, so into Unit 1. And let me just show you what a typical lesson will look like. In the lesson, there is usually a get ready, a learn, and a practice component. Every couple of lessons, there will also be an assessment component. The assessment component obviously will have an assessment in it, a quiz. And these that don't have the assessment component, in the practice component, it will have a link to a USA Test Prep assignment. So please make sure that you do know your USA Test Prep login. You can always email me if you are having trouble accessing that. If a lesson is broken up over multiple days, I will tell you in that chart, in the announcements, if you're supposed to do just the get ready and the learn, just the practice, and so forth. I will tell you specifically which modules you're supposed to focus on for that day. Please make sure that you do not live and die by your overdue notices. When you are in your specific course, right here on the main page, there will be a piece that shows your grade in the course and if you have any overdues. Do not wait for something to show up as overdue before you do it. You need to be following along with the calendar and keeping up with your assignments day by day. Another helpful piece here is all of your CC sessions for the day will show up right here, so you can always access our live sessions just by a simple click there. And then another piece that I do want to show you, back under the content, over here under course materials, this is our syllabus. This is where you can access information about me, my contact information, my email, which is definitely the best way to get a hold of me. And then after that, my office phone number. You can call me from there. And then your link to your textbook and such will be in here as well. So please make sure that daily you are clicking into our course, checking out what is due for the week. You can do a quick check of over here in the upcoming events of when other items will be due. But again, you cannot base your work off of your overdue items, because if you only work off of your overdue items, you will be missing so much instruction and important pieces. I look forward to a great year with you. Head on back to the next breakout room.